what's up you guys? It's Travis and today I'm going to be trying on some underwear. I am going to be doing a review of some underwear that I received from this brand called Separatec. Separatec reached out to me and they wanted me to review their product because they think that their underwear is different from any other underwear on the market. They have this technology called 2-pouch underwear. One pouch is meant for your penis, the other pouch is meant for your testicles. By doing that, it's supposed to keep everything in place. It's supposed to allow airflow to keep you cool and to keep you from sweating and overheating, and also it's just supposed to be a more comfortable fit than other underwear on the market. If you guys like the underwear that I try on today, I don't know if there's a discount code, but if there is, I'll be sure to put it down in the description section below. But for now, let's try on some underwear. Okay, apparently they sent me some boxer briefs. I don't think these are briefs. Normally I wear briefs. We'll try the boxer briefs right now and see how they are. So basically, you guys can probably see the hole right here. So this is where the penis is about to go, and then the testicles go down below in their own little pouch. They feel like a very well-designed pair of underwear because my issue with underwear is that sometimes the band is too loose. It gets kind of floppy. You can tell it's not very well sewn together. So it gets kind of loose. Everything kind of loses its shape, and I think that what's important with underwear is that it holds your body tight so that it kind of accentuates your framing and doesn't look like a loose, saggy old pair of underwear. So I guess without further ado, let's just try on the underwear and see how they fit, because that's honestly what matters most. So it takes a second to get everything put where it belongs. Oh wow, but I actually kind of like this. All right, wow. Holy crap, I actually really like this underwear a lot. I'm a little bit surprised. Wow, it really does put everything out there though. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I am wearing the underwear right now. I really hope this is appropriate for YouTube. I may have to blur some of this out because I do feel like it is a rather revealing kind of underwear. I might be going crazy with the sensor when I am editing this video, but it is actually a very comfortable pair of underwear. It's kind of an interesting feeling having the two separate pouches for your penis and your testicles, because it does kind of create like more of an airflow. It creates more like a comfortable fit. I would say that for me, I'm not used to having like everything just kind of put out there on display, and that's kind of what I feel like this does, even though it's obviously just meant for being functional. It still very much reminds me of a banana hammock style of underwear. So if that's something that you like, then of course, like, this is the underwear for you. Right now I'm going to show you guys a few cutaway clips of me trying on the different pairs of underwear so you can get a better idea of the different colors that they offer with Separatec. I wish I had more styles to show you, but apparently the boxer briefs are the only ones that they sent me this time. Either way, I think that it's a good pair of underwear. I think it's a good brand, and it's kind of a unique approach to underwear. So what do you guys think of my new underwear? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is there anything that you would have changed about it? Let me know what you think about it down below. Also, if you guys want to get Separatec for yourselves, you can do so in the description section below. But that is my review of the Separatec underwear, and I really appreciate you guys watching. So that's all for this video. Wait, we're messing this up. And that's all I have for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.